this is the motorcycle, and we're totally gonna like do some stuff, but like, you know, not be enthused about it. Come on, man, you gotta live it up. What is up to YouTube, and guess who's back? Back again. We got the Honda Fury back from the dyno, and boy, I can't wait to see how this sounds. How's she gonna rip? Been about 2 months now. I dropped it off. Look at that, man. Look at that beauty right there. Bam. Low and mean, for sure. Got my air intake on. I got my Smokin Tyre garage exhaust. Rained like crazy yesterday. I tried to get it out. I got her back Saturday. Now, we're finally ready here. Take her for a spin. We got her back. She is a little dirty from the rain on the trailer. I don't know if you can see that. She is a little dirty, but she is also dirty. I'm gonna go grab my helmet, slap a GoPro on it. Oh, what the fuck is that? Fuck. See how she rips. See how she fucking rips. Back in a minute. Okay, man. Bring my air ride up. Wheel her out. It is hot as balls out here. Let her warm up. Contact. Oh, this is stupid wearing a helmet on the heat like this. I think it's been like a hot minute since I've been out with the GoPro doing a ride. It is hot as balls outside. If you ever wondered how hot balls is, it's 98 degrees. It's your body temperature, stupid. Whoa. Okay. I can tell you this. She is punchy. What a difference. I'm not saying that it was the stock Fury was sluggish, but she can move now. Oh, we already at 70 miles an hour in what, 2 seconds? 3? Oh man, yes, dude, this is awesome. Ah. She wants to pull, man. She's pulling me in the seat. You know, when you're moving, it's not so hot out. Oh, man. It's been forever since I rode you. Oh, I missed you, girl. Be good to me. Let's go. She's so nice and light. I forgot how nimble she was. It's only been 2 months. Yes, dude. I didn't get the printout slip. Z125. I didn't get the table chart. I can't compare stock with the new jet on there, but wow, lady, come on. Jesus. You saw that? Okay. Alright, let's see how she pulls in the back wheel. Oh, there's a car ahead. Damn it. There's this big dip. It goes way the F down. And every time I hit it, I bottom out my suspension. I scrape the bottom of the bike just by pushing it. Oh, how lovely it is. I love the tree canopy. I always love that while riding. You get a total picture of the back. The total picture of the whole scene. It was like in a movie, like you're going through a trench or something. I don't know. It's like the Death Star, but it's trees. I'm going pretty slow because I want to hit this dip hard. Here's the first part where you think it is, but it's not. Okay, it says dip. It actually, there's a sign that says dip. All right, we're going 45. Let's go 50. Let's enter the dip at 50. Even though the speed limit, we're going twice the speed limit. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, buddy. 70. Whoa! We're going about 80 miles an hour on that one. Punch it! That was fun as hell. Oh, shoot, she's just... You want acceleration and power, it's right there. Like, it's right there. You gotta kind of squeeze the tank a second before you really take off. We'll go down this lower loop here. Hopefully no cars come. Yep, excuse me, coming through. Thank you. Right down here. Man, oh, look at that. Quick flip of the controls and I was back on course. Let me tell you, dude, at any gear, any speed, she just absolutely pulls out of these corners, man. Oh, wow. Wow, she's a totally different animal. Oh, power commander and these pipes definitely pay off. Ooh, slow down. I'm going twice the speed limit here. Go, 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 go! Yeah! Oh! This is so awesome, man! I'm gonna cry. This is so amazing. Oh! Keep that adrenaline up, boy! Come on! Yeah! Going 70 and 25 zones. So much power. Much more power, I should say. I'm gonna turn around right here. I wanna hit that dip again. I don't think anyone's behind me. We're good, we're good. We're going back. We're going back, because that was awesome. We gotta go back. Oop. Dropped into neutral on that shit. Well, like I said, man, the throttle is right there. Wants to pull and accelerate in every gear. So funny when you're like drag racing or you're on the highway and some sports bike comes up to you, some leader bike. Oh, Yamaha. Or CBR or something. Whoa, shift down. And then you just match their speed, but you're on a cruiser. It's totally sick. They're like, oh my god, I can't believe this guy's keeping up on me with this bike that's 9 feet long. Oh, this road's not so good. Hey-ya! Oh, that's so much fun taking that turn. Go, go, go! You had a little two-step and then I backfired right next to each other. That was awesome. Oh, there's a car. Better slow down. I'm gonna hit the hill, the dip on the other way. Oh, this is the dip here. Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, that was about 80. I think what I'll do is I'll make another video topping out. What I put on the map was rev extend. And what rev extend does, it gives you 500 extra RPMs per gear. So it allows you to really go a lot deeper and climb on the torque, especially in lower gears, to help pull you out of a situation or pull you out of wherever. It's just it's a lot nicer knowing that I can get up and go and get out of the way much faster. I'm so happy with the end product. Let's be safe here. No one's behind me. Let them go. That was a ruckus. Hands going numb with my carpal tunnel. It's green, sir. You can go. Thank you. Oh, down in school zone. No one's behind me. I'm a loop, do a loop. Oh yeah, I forgot that was a school zone. Whoops. Somebody just has to look at me and I'll just accelerate. I'll be like, oh, you want this? And just hammer it. Oh, that's too funny. Oh, I'm gonna open my visor. Get some wind in here. I'm burning up. This is so much fun. I'm ready to drag race anybody. Like, let's go. Dude, this is totally worth it. I can pull on anybody now. Big bike or not, I'll freaking take you, dude. Let's go. Oh, lean back, do a stretch. Back to the VGHQ, Valley Grommer headquarters. Oh man, bike, and a bike. Wow, dude, what can I say? She running great, she feels good. Hit the throttle in every freaking gear. Just start pulling. The cone looks great, the exhaust, everything. The whole build is coming along nice. That's it, YouTube. That's today's episode. I hope you liked it. Something quick, something easy, something fast, something fun. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Guys, if you ever want to make any kind of mods, follow my videos. If you have any questions, do not hesitate. Send me a comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I love every second talking to you guys. I hope you love every second of the product that I'm pushing out. You know, I try to be lively, try to be fun. I don't want to be, this is the motorcycle, and we're totally gonna like do some stuff, but like, you know, not be enthused about it. Come on, man, you gotta live it up. Look at that, man. Oh, jeez. Shoo. Anyway, his has balls outside. Summer sucks. Soon it's gonna be August. August is a bad month. That's it, man. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a family. Telephone, I don't know. I'll catch you later on the flip side. Peace!